A well-crafted video can take your clients to the next level. But if it's not pitched correctly, you're never going to be able to sell it. That's what I want to talk about in today's cold email teardown. We have received a bad cold email. Now, let's take it to the next level and make it something people actually would buy from. Stick around. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. Cold email is a great way to boost your business. What cold email is and who I am, real quick, I'll tell you. Cold email is sending messages to people that do not know you, pitching your service, and getting them to meet with you. As simple as that. Cold email is a superpower because once you figure out that you can just message people that don't know you, now all of a sudden you can do anything you want. You could go raise funding for your startup. You could go get your dream job in another city or another country. You could sell your service to companies that make over $100 million in revenue like we do for our clients at X27. Whatever you want to do, you can do it once you master cold email. And as the cold email king, having overseen the send of millions of cold emails, I know a thing or two about what goes into a good message. Now, let's take a look at this email that landed in Div's spam box, and we can figure out how to improve it. Where can we go from here? So let's take a look. Subject, App Development Agency's video. Hi Div, I am Jai from AdVids. Using videos to drive awareness and engagement on these topics would be great. App development agencies generate sales leads, media coaching. Please review what we can create. Design capabilities video. Video creation ranges from 1,000 to 1,800. Let's discuss examples from your industry, execution, and options. Question mark. The strange thing about this email is it's doing a lot of stuff right. So we talk about the 3 C's of cold email a lot on this channel. The 3 C's are compliment, case study, call to action. All right. Now, I am Jay from AdVids isn't really a compliment, so this part can be fixed. Using videos to drive awareness and engagement on these topics would be great. So he has ideas, which I actually love about this email. He's linking to his portfolio, which is pretty important for visual stuff like video creation. He even has pricing, which I wouldn't necessarily change. And then he has a call to action. So he's almost there when it comes to cold email, but the execution is not quite correct. Even the subject line, App Development Agency's video, isn't necessarily that bad, but there's a lot to be improved. So let's go through and rewrite this email. Before I show you how we fixed this email, make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe for more. This is super valuable stuff we're sharing. So before I do the big reveal, just make sure you're subscribed and that you hit that like button. All right, let's jump into it more. I removed the unsubscribe. A lot of people in the space like the unsubscribe link in the email. I think it makes it look like it's a cold email, and I don't like it. Most email sending tools like Lemlist, Mailshake, or any of the other tools we recommend at alexberman.com/tools will allow you to send without an unsubscribe, and they have the unsubscribe built in. So basically, when a customer responds in any way to your email, it'll be removed from the feed. That way they won't receive any new emails. So that's the way that they unsubscribe. It has an unsubscribe feature built in. So you do not need it when you're sending cold emails. And in fact, it will hurt your campaigns. Subject, App Development Agency's video. I would actually just do quick question. Or actually this starts, before we talk about any of this, let's get down to basics, right? What is the offer? Who is the target market? And what is the benefit/case study? Okay, so the offer is video creation. Using videos to drive awareness and engagement on these topics would be great. Are they emailing YouTube channels with new video ideas? Or are they emailing companies that do not have videos and wanting to pitch them video content? I would argue that either one of those could be a good market, but there's 2 different emails that need to be written. So let's say the target market is agencies with underperforming or inactive YouTube channels. Because then you're not going in cold and you're not emailing successful YouTube channels. Like you're not talking to our agency, which has, 60, 70,000 subs, whatever we have on here, but you're also not talking to an agency that hates video and has sworn it off. So you're going to find small YouTube channels of agencies that have maybe like 3, 4 videos. I wouldn't even go by subscriber count. I would just look at ones that have videos that have maybe under 100 views on each video, inactive accounts, things like that. Benefit/case study would be like, we did these results. We did this video for XYZ person and it got these results. So now with that in mind, let's go back and rewrite this email. Hi Div, huge fan of Acme, love the work you guys did on Spider-Man. Noticed your company tried YouTube in the past, but hasn't seen much success, and I just wanted to give some motivation. We just helped X27 make a video on lead generation that got them over 50,000 in new business. And then I would move the pricing. Pricing doesn't matter, and you can charge a lot more. Notice your agency. We're talking directly to agencies. Would love to do similar for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Jai. So let's take a look at the rewritten email. Here's the old email. Get that out of there. And now we got the new email. Subject, quick question. Hi Div, huge fan of Acme, love the work you guys did on Spider-Man. Noticed your agency tried YouTube in the past but hasn't seen much success, and I wanted to give some motivation. We helped X27 make a video on lead generation that got them over $50,000 in new business in 30 days. Would love to do similar for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Jai. And there you have it. Take this email, use it for your own agency, rewrite it, follow our process, and you will succeed. If you want me to give specific feedback on your emails, then check out Cold Email University, post in our private community, and I would be happy to take a look. That's coldemailuniversity.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.